Next up, this is what happens when you have fucking my level of fucking retardation. You sit here and you're not even inducing schizophrenia at this point. You're inducing fucking diabetes and heart failure. I wouldn't try this if I was you guys though. Especially if you have like heart conditions and shit. You already have diabetes. Just because it puts you at more risk of something dangerous happening. I don't have neither one, so I should be sad. I know that sort of shit runs in my family, but my body is like a temple in that manner. I don't get why, I'm just lucky. Dude, no way I'm still recording at 18 minutes. No, that's crazy. Yeah, so I'm starting to hear colors and see sounds a little bit. I'm not quite sure what that means or if it's even happening, but everything's so much brighter though. Everything just looks 800 times brighter. I'm starting to debate if I'm even a schizophrenic at this point. All I know is I hear the voices still. I will just repeat what I said, the voices still. And I bet you they're in my head because I never catch them on camera, even when they are talking. I would just said even when I'm done talking. You know, I'm gonna have to piss so much after this. Dude, that's a beautiful flower. Wouldn't it just be a shame if I just went over there and fucking ate it? I don't see why I would eat a flower though. It's just repeating everything I'm saying back to me. That's pretty much what the voice is doing. It's like one of them, and it's just repeating everything back to me. It's fucking stupid. There's just so much carbonation in my stomach. My stomach doesn't want to burp though. I'm trying not to throw up. My poor teeth, probably going through some hard fucking wars right now with each other. I need some of that prescription toothpaste again. give me a second, guys. My heart's not beating fast, but it's beating hard. Holy fuck. Swear to God, I'm not one unemployed friend. Fucking drinking a 30-liter of Mountain Dew. As fast as you can type shit. Like Matt Stoney type shit. Why? I have no idea. I don't know why I need to be Jacob Jones level of like cigarette reviews and shit. Cigarette videos and shit. I'm just gonna grab another one. Fuck it. That's why I call myself free, by the way, guys. Not also not something I do. This is a little trick for you guys who already do it though. You guys don't know. Probably why I shouldn't be doing this for YouTube, but what you do to get rid of any bacteria or germs or viruses on it, you take your lighter, you light the ends because the heat will get rid of them. You don't want to set on fire like I almost just did though. That voice is like right behind me. It was like over here and now it's just like right behind me. Yeah. I had one earlier talking about jerking off for no reason. Like this morning, my friend came by on his, him and his girlfriend stay here, so he came by on his break. He came home on his break, and and that's when the voice was talking about jerking off, and it was so weird. It just made me feel more violated because he just got back. And I was like, well, I would go to work if I could, but I can't find anything because my schizophrenia gets in the way. The motherfucking voice goes, oh yeah, and that's cool. Fucking dickhead. Literally. Wait. Hold on. Dude, it's been like, I've been recording this for like 25 minutes already. I haven't even gone through it. God damn. Dude, I'm surprised the Mountain Dew ain't doing nothing else to me though. Because I do drink a lot of Mountain Dew. A lot. In a short amount of time, like 8 of them a day. But not this quick. This is probably, I don't even know, maybe 5 to 8 cans of Mountain Dew in one bottle. Well, maybe not, maybe more like 4 to 6, but like, still a lot of Mountain Dew. I think next time I might just go 24 so I can just sit there and fucking see how many cans I can drink. I'd do it again. Kinda don't want to do it again though. All the combination is starting to suck. Yeah, and even the voice is like, I don't know why I'd do it again. So, got fucking Baja Blast. Mountain Dew's my favorite, so I'm always drinking this shit, but fucking Baja Blast. Probably the best Arizona. There's a trash can right there. But I saved the 5-cent deposits here in New York. So that's why the other bottle was there. The plastic one. For all the Mountain Dew. Fucking A. Kinda don't want to try and finish it. Is it normal to start seeing stars? I did for like a split second. Seeing like sounds right now. Is that normal? Are you supposed to see sounds? I'm seeing sounds. Yeah, I can't really explain that, but I'm seeing sounds, and it's really weird. I'm also hearing colors. Everything sounds yellow, but looks soundish. I don't think this is normal. I don't think this is good for my psychological issues either. I still have them either way, it turns out, but there's like a whole different part of my psychological issues. I'm seeing colors and hearing sounds. I knew that shit. I knew my brain was telling me that for some reason. I just didn't know why. That happens quite a bit. My brain will say something, and then I'll either do it, say it, or it will just happen like the next minute. And I'm like, this is. So, I'm gonna fucking kill myself with this caffeine right now. Because I'm just gonna get some more while I'm fucking seeing sounds and hearing colors. I might need a hospital after this. I might need like 2 types of hospitals. I might need like mental health treatment and fucking and like some like physical treatment, like some actual health treatment. I'm just gonna pull the rest in. Dude, this is retarded. I just wanna probably, I'm just gonna fucking drop dead. I'm gonna have like a heart attack or some shit. I'm gonna like think some demons are chasing me or some shit. Be convinced I'm a god or some shit. Dude, I'm literally seeing colors or seeing sounds right now. Like, I can still see perfectly fine, but I've seen sounds over it. I wonder the voices want me to stop drinking that damn thing. I was fucking tripping balls like I'm on acid. Fucking bird's retarded. No, I'm just kidding. It's just eating one worm like a bird would. Okay, let's finish before my phone. Dude, how the fuck does my phone still have space? It never does at like when it's recording at like 32 minutes. Usually, what is that space of like 10 to like 15 minutes? Which means I must cleared like twice as much space so far. But dude, these sounds are like crazy. I wonder if like I put my headphones on, what would it sound like? I'm like hearing colors and seeing sounds. Weird. Also, proof that this shit is empty. You know, I'm about to fucking shot that out, I just knew it. Burp the baby, burp the baby, burp the baby, burp the baby. Yeah, like you pat a baby and it's back to burp over your shoulder or some shit. I think that's what you're supposed to do with the baby. I'm not a parent, but I just remember learning about it in fucking health class. I was in the special ed class because I went to special ed class because I had special needs. That's not funny. I probably shouldn't joke about that on camera. No, but I really did though, and that's really wise. I wonder if like you open an app, if it's technically just a website for like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I wonder if you're really just on their website. The voice just said, I wonder if I just stopped drinking. Dude, I'm like fucking dying over here. Like, quite literally fucking dying. God damn. There's a burp. Finally, I burped a couple times. It's still loaded with fucking carbonation though. So if the rest would just get the fuck out. I'm gonna have to piss at more than like fucking 8 racehorses after this. He almost got it. It really looks like it's flying. The camera does not. It's like right there. So you only got like that much left. It's about an inch in height. I'm still fucking seeing sounds and fucking hearing colors a little bit, but I've seen raves and shit, like air raves. Shit's fucking crazy, bro. Imagine just drinking 2 liters of soda and you start seeing like raves from like audio and shit, like fucking voices and birds chirping and fucking their mind goes. Done. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Oh no, I'm gonna regret that decision like fucking an album's gonna come down crashing like a motherfucker. Alright, we're gonna light the last cigarette here in just a second. Hold on.